Hi girls, this is dividing a quantity into a given ratio. This is a really, really applicable, great thing to know in your life. So I need you to understand this. So think of a ratio as parts, okay? So I'm going to use the unitary method, which is, you need to know the name, not really. And I'm going to do these steps. Okay, this first step is I'm going to find the total number of parts in the ratio. So in this example, it says I'm going to split $20 in a ratio of 2 to 3. So I need the total parts in the ratio. So I add up the two numbers that are in the ratio. And then I go into this, and it says $20, and I divide whatever the whole thing I'm splitting up into this number that I found. So I do 5 into 20, and I get 4. So one part is $4. Oops, not 40, that would be nice, but just 4. Then I say, okay, if one part is 4, then 2 to 3 gets split into 4. Let's see, 2 parts of 4 are 8, and 3 parts of 4 are 12. And these two numbers need to add up to the 20 I started with. Okay, let's do this example. So the first step is add these two numbers. Then 54 meters. 54 divided by 9. This is the second step where I take the whole thing and I split it into 9 parts. So I know that one part is 6 meters. But I want 4 parts. So I do 4 times 6, that gives me 24. And I do 5 times 6, and that gives me 30. So splitting 54 into a ratio of 4 to 5 is splitting it to 24 to 30. When I add these two numbers, I have to get 54, which I did. Sometimes they'll give you 3 parts. So maybe there's 3 people that are sharing $300. One person gets 1 part, one person gets 2 parts, one person gets 3 parts. So let's first do step 1 is 2 plus 1 plus 3. That gives me 6. Then I take that 6 and I divide it into the thing that's being divided, the big thing, on your calculator or by hand. That's 50. I say, okay, 2 to 1 to 3. Each part gets multiplied by 50. So 2 50s is 100, 1 50 is 50, and 3 50s is 150. Then I add these 3 numbers up, and I better get back to 300, which I did. It says the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. If there are 246 boys, at the school, how many students attend the college? Well, I'm going to figure out how many girls there are. Okay, so it looks to me, this isn't even one of those examples, I don't think, but it looks to me that 2 parts are 246. So 1 part is equal to 123. I just divided that by 2. Okay. Well, I want 3 parts for the girls, so I'm going to do 123 times 3, 3, 6, 9. So there's that many boys and that many girls, but this says how many students are at the college. So I'm going to have to add up the boys to the girls. And it looks like 615 students. Okay, that's it about the ratios.